The FDA's decision to remove black box warning on menopause hormone therapy, a landmark shift in women's health. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has made a groundbreaking decision to remove the black box warning label from hormone replacement therapy (HRT) products for menopause, sparking hope and relief among women and healthcare professionals alike. This move comes after a thorough review of scientific studies and public testimony, challenging the long-standing fears surrounding HRT, a misguided warning and its impact. In the early 2000s, studies claimed significant risks associated with HRT, including breast cancer, leading the FDA to issue its highest warning label. This decision resulted in a dramatic decline in HRT usage, with an estimated millions of women avoiding the therapy due to cancer and heart risks. However, recent evidence suggests that these risks were overstated and the benefits of HRT have been underestimated. The expert panel's review and recommendations. An expert panel formed by the FDA conducted an in-depth analysis of the latest scientific studies and recommended the removal of the warning label. Dr. Marty Makary, FDA Commissioner, emphasized the potential of HRT to improve women's health outcomes, comparing it to interventions like antibiotics or vaccines. The panel's findings highlight the importance of timing, suggesting that HRT is most beneficial when initiated before age 60 or within 10 years of menopause onset. A grassroots effort for change, the movement to remove the black box warning was not just an administrative decision, but a grassroots effort led by women and doctors. Thousands of petitions were gathered, advocating for the removal of misleading labels. Dr. Rachel Rubin, a urologist at Georgetown University Hospital, praised the FDA's decision as a significant step forward, stating that it will enable more nuanced discussions between doctors and patients. Addressing the misinformation. The FDA's decision addresses the misinformation that has surrounded HRT for decades. Dr. Makary expressed his belief that this is one of the greatest mistakes in modern medicine, demonizing a therapy that could benefit millions. The new labels will provide clearer information, allowing women and their healthcare providers to make informed decisions. Continuing the conversation. While the removal of the black box warning is a significant achievement, the conversation about HRT is far from over. Dr. Stephen Fleischman, president of the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, ACOG, emphasized the need for individualized discussions between patients and clinicians. He noted that systemic estrogen products carry risks, and their use should be based on a patient-doctor conversation. Looking ahead, the FDA's decision marks a new era in women's health, where evidence-based practices take precedence over outdated fears. As Dr. Rubin stated, the hard work now lies in educating healthcare providers and ensuring that women receive the necessary information to make informed choices. This shift promises to improve access to HRT and empower women to take control of their health during menopause.